Hello, dear friends. Glad to meet you. This is Shirley from Good Business Company in Shenzhen, China. Our company was founded in 2013. We are a high-quality mobile phone accessories manufacturer. The products including phone battery, LCD screen, charger, data cable, and repair tools. Our products pass many international certifications such as CE, FCC, RoHS, UL, BSM, GB 31241, UN 3H.3, MSDS, etc. We can also accept OEM, ODM orders. Hope to cooperate with you. If you are interested, please add my WhatsApp or WeChat. Thank you.